Chitra, studying 6th standard, reading today's news related to UPSC exams. Before going into the news, I request you all to subscribe our channel. Also like, share and comment my video.
Governance. Green Term Ahead Market. As a first step toward greening the Indian short-term power market, the Union Minister of State Power and New and Renewable Energy launched Pan-India Green Term Ahead Market in electricity. The market is first exclusive product for renewable energy sector in the world. Transactions through GTAM will be bilateral in nature with clear identification of corresponding buyers and sellers. There will not be any difficulty in accounting for renewable purchase obligations. GTAM contracts will be segregated into solar RPO and non-solar RPO, as RPO targets are also segregated. International relations. Qatari labor laws. Recently, Qatar has brought about a change in its labor laws, scrapping rules requiring migrant workers to take their employer's permission before changing jobs, and setting the monthly minimum wage at about $274, an increase of over 25%. The reforms, which were announced by the Emir of Qatar in October 2019, were signed into law recently. The first reform has abolished the unjustified kafala system, a requirement for a no objection certificate that migrant workers needed to get from their employers before changing jobs. These reforms are now applicable to workers of all nationalities and in all sectors, including domestic workers who were previously excluded. The International Labour Organization has hailed the move and notes that Qatar is the first country in the region to dismantle the kafala sponsorship system that is common in the Gulf region. Rashtriya Khel Protsahan Puraskar 2020 by Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India. The award is presented to the corporate entities and individuals who have played critical role in the area of sports, promotion and management. This award is given in the following 4 categories: identification and nurturing of budding young talent, Lakshya Institute, Army Sports Institute, encouragement of sports through corporate social responsibilities, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited, employment of sports persons and sports welfare measures, Air Force Sports Control Board, Sports for Development, International Institute of Sports Management, Army Sports Institute, Pune was raised as part of Indian Army's Mission Olympics program on 1 July 2001. Air Force Sports Control Board is the apex body for planning and conduct of sports activities within the IAF and at inter-services level. Science and Technology. World's largest solar tree. CMERI has developed the world's largest solar tree, which is installed at CMERI Residential Colony, Durgapur. The installed capacity of the solar tree is about 11.5 kWp. It has the annual capacity to generate 12,000 to 14,000 units of clean and green power. The tree has been designed in a manner to ensure maximum exposure of each solar PV panel to sunlight and also creation of the least amount of shadow area beneath. These solar trees can be aligned with agriculture for substituting price violate fossil fuels. Each solar tree has the potential to save 10 to 12 tons of carbon dioxide to emissions being released into the atmosphere as greenhouse gases when compared with fossil fuel fired energy generation. Besides, the surplus generated power can be fed into an energy grid. Spot robot. Recently, researchers from Boston Dynamic of Massachusetts Institute of Technology have developed a robot called Spot. They have planned to use it for patients with COVID-19 symptoms. The robot is controlled by handheld device. It can walk on four legs, similarly to dog, climb stairs, and can traverse rough terrain with ease and small enough to be used indoors. It can measure skin temperature, breathing rate, pulse rate, and blood oxygen saturation in healthy patients from 2 meters away. It has 4 cameras, 1 infrared, 3 monochrome. The robot can be deployed in areas where suspected cases of COVID-19 assemble. Healthcare workers can avoid exposing themselves to risk by maneuvering the robot to wherever patients are sitting. The robot can also carry a tablet that allows doctors to ask patients about their symptoms without being in the same room. But Indian Railways has developed a remote control medical trolley named Medbot to help deliver food and medicines to COVID-19 patients. It is providing service in the Central Hospital of the Diesel Rail Engine Factory of Indian Railways. Shark. In the fight against the spread of COVID-19 pandemic, the Railways has designed the health assistant robot Shark, which can remotely communicate between doctor and patient. The medical aid robot is able to measure health parameters such as temperature, pulse, oxygen percentage. It can also provide medicines, food to the patients, and make a two-way video call communication between the doctor and the patient. It can move in all directions at all levels with a range of remote operations up to 150 meters. With a full charge battery, the Rakshak robot can work continuously for 6 hours and can carry up to 10 kg of weight in its tray. It is based on Wi-Fi and therefore does not require any mobile data. It also operates with an Android mobile application. AUDFS-01, a global team led by scientists of the Inter-University Center for Astronomy and Astrophysics, Pune has discovered one of the earliest galaxies in extreme ultraviolet light using India's AstroSat. AstroSat, India's first multi-wavelength satellite that has 5 unique X-ray and ultraviolet telescopes working in tandem, has detected extreme UV light from a galaxy called AUDFS-01, 9.3 billion light years away from the Earth. AstroSat was launched by ISRO on 28 September 2015.
Thank you for watching my video. Today's PPT is given in the description box. Hope you all enjoyed our channel. Once again I repeat, please subscribe our channel. Also like, share and comment my video. See you tomorrow.